Hi everybody! I'm already ready to put the wig on. I'm so excited. So this is Smooth Wavez by René of Paris from the Muse collection, one of the new styles they brought out just recently. This time I have it in the color Milky Opal R. If you want to see it in the new color, I do have an unboxing and review of this style on my channel, so go and check it out. So this was sent to me by Aderans Trendco on loan, so I can show it to you in a different color. So, as usual, I have not peeked, I haven't done anything here. This is how it comes straight out of the box. So let's unbox it, put it on, and I give you my first initial impressions. I love these waves. They are so, they are just beautiful. And then have that fringe that you can put to the side. So let's look at the cup construction. We have an extended lace front, so it runs into the ear tabs. Ear tabs are velvet covered with metal stays in them. You do have a very wide center part, so you can part it center and then off center to the left and right as well. And it goes fairly far back as well. Then you have open wefts, sides and back. Extended velvet nape with Velcro adjusters, and there's a lot of stretch in this cap. So just rake my hands through it a little bit. So I put a picture in of a Smooth Wavez in the new color. This is so pretty. Right, let me just check that it's in the right spot. So 4 fingers from the bridge of your nose. This is where it should sit. This is so pretty. Look, this is straight out of the box. Wow. Amazing, right? Let's show it to you from all sides. So let's look at the lace front. That is beautifully done. Can you see that fruit as well? Really pretty, really natural. So you have lighter pieces here at the front, slightly interspersed with the root color, so you don't really have a band effect as such. Maybe a little bit, but look how well this lace front is done. So let's look at the mono part, very wide mono part. That looks amazing. So this is what it would look like with a side part. Let's look at it from the other side. And then middle. Really pretty. So straight out of the box, it fits my circumference, which without hair was 21.5. So I have a little bit of hair and I have a wig cap on, so slightly above that right now. Fits fairly well straight out of the box. I do like to wear my wigs quite loose though. So you might want to cinch it in a bit if you have my circumference. There's a lot of space to tighten it, and there's a little space to widen it. So I do think this is an average sized cap. You do have gapping here at the back as well. So I do think there's enough space for you if you have a higher circumference than mine. But please check that with Aderans Trendco to ensure that it would fit you and that it would fit you comfortably. So let's look at the density. I think this is lower density. This looks really natural. Permatease wise, there's just a little bit of permatease just around the open wefts, like we are used to, just to disguise the wefts a little bit, but there's nothing big or poofy here. Hopefully you can see that, and this looks really natural. So these are heat-friendly fibers, straight out of the box. They feel phenomenal. They feel really nice, very soft. So straight out of the box, when I run my hands through it, no issues there whatsoever. Obviously only time will tell how they hold up. If you've had Smooth Wavez for a while, comment down below. Tell us how your fibers are holding up. Always really good to know for everybody. So because this is on loan, I can't give you a longevity report. So please get that down there in the comments and let us all know. Really interesting to find out. So let's look at this color. This is not a new color, but I would say this is a newish color. They brought that out a while back, exactly when I would have to look it up. But if you do know that, put it down below in the comments as well. It is described as a rooted blonde, which has a mid-warm brown root. And then it goes into cream and white blondes with a deeper tone running throughout the bottom with a subtle opal hue. This is all very subtle, I would say. With that root that's so natural. It's not a long root. It's quite a short root here, and like proper regrowth. And then you can see that goes throughout the wig. So when the wind goes, it still looks really natural. So stick around for outside footage of this color if you're interested in this color a little bit more. But this is a great piece for every day. The heat-friendly fibers means you can change this curl or wave pattern here if you wanted to. So you can make it straighter if you wanted to, or add some other curls in. You do have that fringe. So on me, it's just in my eyes, so I would have to trim this slightly, but obviously that depends also on your measurements. I have a long face and a long neck, so wigs in general look shorter on me than they might on you. So always check the measurements that I pop in here somewhere where it would fall on you. But as I said, this is what it would look like if you just move it across with a little bit of just cutting it a bit shorter. You would get a proper fringe in here. I think that would look really adorable. Or you can have it almost like a curtain bang, so part it somewhere in the middle. Have this kind of curtain bang look. Or you move it to one side, which is always my preferred way. So styling, let's see if you can have a low pony. Yeah, you can. Because there are not many layers in here, except the one here at the front. So, but you might still want to put just some clips in here, just to ensure that it would not fall out throughout the day. Tuck in one side or both sides. Can move the fringe, maybe even cut it to the middle, whichever way you like. Half up, half down. Adorable look here. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Aderans Trendco for sending me this piece. When you use my code K20, you will get an amazing 20% off. I put the link to this piece down below in the description box. Click on it, and at checkout, don't forget to use the code K20. If you have any questions, any comments, please put them down below. Always happy to answer. And I hope I see you very soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye.